how do you apply liberal ideas in an illiberal environment? We neither have the tools, we neither have the means, we have an international environment that isn't particularly good. How do we do it? And one of the reasons why I think ultimately people's fight for their rights in Iran will ultimately yield success is because its roots are so deep. And because the ideas haven't been shifted. These ideas that you get in Iran today about the rights of the individual, about constitutional, about the rule of law, despite every attempt by successions of autocrats and most particularly the Islamic Republic and its religious theocracy to uproot these, it hasn't worked. And even the people who were fighting on the streets last year were simply echoing many of the ideas that were expressed first 100 years ago. The individuals like Taqizadeh or Fouroughi, who were dismissed by the Islamic Republic, are basically now coming back in to the political lexicon of many young people as the people for whom, they should look up to.